Welcome to our channel. If you want to link Cash App to your bank, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable seamless transfers between your bank account and Cash App. Step 1. Open the Cash App on your mobile device and log into your account using your registered phone number or email and passcode. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the home screen to access your account settings and available features. Step 3. Scroll down and select the option labeled Banking or Linked Banks to view your connected financial institutions and add new bank accounts. Step 4. Choose Add Bank and select your bank from the list of financial institutions, or use the search feature to find your specific bank if not immediately visible. Step 5. Enter your online banking credentials when prompted. Cash App uses secure encrypted connections to verify your account ownership and establish the link to your bank. Step 6. Complete any additional verification steps your bank requires, such as two-factor authentication codes or security questions to confirm your identity. Step 7. Wait for verification to complete, which typically takes a few moments, but may require up to 1 business day in some cases. Once verified, you can instantly transfer money between Cash App and your linked bank account. Step 8. Test the connection by initiating a small transfer to ensure everything works properly before relying on the link for larger transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel